Hey, hey, how is it going, guys? I do have a little bug to fix, and I'm really not sure how to do that because it's very, very recent, like 10 minutes ago. Oh, might be this actually. And if you see some crazy things going on in my lines of code, don't worry, it's normal. That's weird. Um, I'm just gonna try something. I'm really not sure that it's gonna work, but worth a try. Okay, so... and it doesn't work. That's weird because it used to work, but now it doesn't. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna show you where the game is at. So I recently added this journal, which for the moment only has the number of clients that you served. I plan on adding multiple stats to it, like your highest streak of completed orders. And I also added this thing, which for the moment doesn't have a UI, but just a checkbox that enables the auto restock, which, as it implies, automatically refills the fruit slots. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's this. Okay, so as you can see, the fruits are coming back. It's not exactly as I wish it were because for the moment it only adds the fruits when the new order is generated, but it looks a bit weird in my opinion. It should be adding the fruits when the order is completed rather than generated, but just gonna hide this, it's just too laggy. So as I was saying, it should be generating the new fruit when the order is completed, but it was creating bugs. So yeah, it was pretty difficult to implement this way. So I'm just gonna play a bit just to show you how it looks like for the moment. It should be this. Oh, it wasn't. So I'm really happy with how the game loop feels. Overall, it's like pretty funny, dare I say. Okay, so it should be that. Okay, and now that we have money, fruits are coming back, and the amount of money that we make per order depends on the number of fruits that you have, because the more fruits you have, the more difficult, the harder it is to find the right combination, which is logical. So you have 1 coin per fruit available, so with a maximum of 9, but it costs 1 coin per fruit to buy, so pretty balanced. Okay, so this is it. Nice. And you can see this number increasing, so that's nice. And it's simply toggling on and off the visibility of this layer, which is for the moment a simple canvas layer, but I want to add a background opacity sprite to prevent interacting with the background, as I'm doing right now. Okay, so this no, he's out. Okay, sorry dude, it's not that deep. Okay, this and this probably, yeah, she's happy. So the point was to create a game that you can play as long as you want, but the thing that I have to avoid here is to make it boring. If you play this for more than 10 minutes, if you're a normal human, you're gonna get bored. So I'm trying to add new things as loot boxes. Sounds a bit weird, but I wanted some in my game, so I'm adding some. I'm gonna try probably this and this. Yeah. But I think that the game as it is right now is playable. Not for long, but playable. I'm just gonna check what is causing this bug to happen. The bug that I'm trying to solve here is that I cannot add a box to the scene, which shouldn't be a problem. Which shouldn't be a problem, but it is. Add child. What is the problem? 122. It's there. What? I mean, why would it even say that? I don't have a box for the moment in here, so I'm just... I don't understand. Okay, I'm gonna try something. You guys might want to hit me for this, but I'm gonna try anyway. We're gonna call this box renderer, and we're gonna poop. We're not gonna poop. We're gonna add the box inside this renderer here, not render. Okay. So let's try it. And it doesn't work. Already has a parent box renderer. Why does it say that? Actually, I'm just gonna do this for now, just to check if it works. Why does this keep popping up? Come on. Why? Oh, okay, my bad. I was toggling off the wrong one. It should be there. Here it is. Okay, and the box renderer is right below. Okay, so what the hell? What? Ooh, this is a nasty bug. Okay, what am I doing? What am I doing wrong? If box renderer get child count already has a parent. Why is it saying that? It already has a parent. I'm just gonna click once and check the logs here. Okay, I clicked. You guys might have heard it, but it's not working. Why isn't it working? And if I click again, like if I click twice, I clicked once here, and if I click twice, it's gonna say this. Okay, so why isn't it showing? What? No. What's happening? What the hell? Where is it? It's box default. Why? Why is it invisible? Oh no! Is it? Oh my god! It was visible right from the start, but okay. So I'm just gonna explain to you guys what just happened. So when I clicked this, it added the box right here, but it wasn't visible because it was stuck at the end of the animation that makes it disappear. And normally, if I click this 3 times, it should fade away. Okay, so now I understand where the problem is. I understand. Okay, so I have to move this. I have to move this here because we want to generate a new variable for each box that we make. But I don't know how. Now it should fade away. Okay, it does. It does. And we can add a new one each time. Okay. Okay, so what does that say? Must have at least 1 key to cache for blending. What does that mean? Cache for blending. Well, it's not a fatal error, so we're just gonna ignore that. But we have to queue free this box. Okay, so should make it inside of here. Why doesn't that work actually? That queue free thing should. Okay, so we're just gonna I think it works. We're gonna try something. Okay, so it faded, right? What does that say? Animation mixer fade value track visible must have at least one key to cache for blending. I'm not sure that I understand what it means, but we're gonna look into it. At least one. Oh, okay, so we had to get rid of the unused property right here, so it should be okay now. Okay, so add fruit 1, 2, 3. We tapped it 3 times and it should print faded. All right, so, and we solved the error. So we're making progress here. I think we can make it so gonna use a vector 2 of 404, yeah, 200. We're gonna try this. So it should make it appear somewhere like here. Oh, okay, not so far off, but a bit. 1, 2, 3. I don't get why it doesn't play the third time. Oh, I know why. I know why. Gonna make it like this. Okay, and now it should wobble. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, perfect. But why does it appear open? It shouldn't be spawning. Shouldn't be. I don't get why it appears already open. It should be closed. What is wrong? I think it has to be. Oh. Yeah, it's this simple. I should have hidden it. Okay, now it's open. And it fades away. Isn't that great? I think it's great. Okay, now we have to first of all make it bigger because it's way too small. So transform scale, we're gonna make it twice as big. Should still be a bit too small. Okay, and now it is appear. Okay, and we have to generate a loot for each box that is randomly generated, but I want to make it add 100 coins for the moment. I want to make it that for each client that we successfully serve, we have 1 out of maybe 20 chances to spawn a box that we can use. So, how can I make this? I think I have to access this in where am I gonna do this? It's in check results here. Okay. And we're gonna make var RNG equals rand I range 1 to 20. And if I should really stop pressing tab while doing this. Okay, so if RNG equals, let's say 20, and now we can add our code. This. Where is it? Okay. Should be working now. Why doesn't it? Why doesn't it? Oh, okay. Oh, my bad. Should be working now. Okay. This is better. I'm just gonna play a bit to see if it works. And this is starting to bother me a lot. Okay, so I should just select another node. Okay, perfect. So, oh, does this work now? Just wondering. And it doesn't. Maybe I have to make it. Yeah, it doesn't. My camera doesn't seem to work, so just gonna continue without it. Okay, so I have this one and probably this one. We're just gonna play a bit to see if it's working. And I should make more clients because, as you can see, it's always the same 3 clients that come in. But at the same time, I'm not sure that I want to stick to this kind of pixel art thing, so just gonna wait. Oh, actually, we should definitely make it 1 out of 4. Okay, it's brown desaturated. This is kind of difficult. Should be this and this? No, but it was quite close, so. All right, we have this and this. No. I'm bad. I'm bad at it today. Okay, and we still haven't procced the thing. Should be this. What? Still no box. We've served 14 clients. No sign of the box. Actually, I'm just gonna make it. I'm just gonna reload the whole thing. Don't know if it changes something. Oh, we have a lot of green here, and I've noticed that overall we are. There's much more green spawning than other colors. Don't know if you've ever noticed that, but... Oh, and now we've made the box spawn. Okay. Well. Seems to be working fine, but we're just gonna switch this back to 20. And okay. We should I don't know how to do that. Okay, so my current problem is that I generate the price here inside the box node, and I want to make it communicate with the main script. But I don't know how to do that except just emitting. Oh yeah, I can do that. I can do that all right. I can just use that signal that I have here, emit price. And what I can do is, how can I do that? So it should be something like box opening that connects. Just gonna make it right there. So it's not fruit, it's box. That's no, not in capital. So it's box that's box opening that connects. But what do I connect it to? This is the problem that I have. Okay, we're just gonna Google this together. So we need to check if signal is emitted. Godo. You can connect custom signals the exact same way you will to build it signals, either by hooking them up in the editor or connecting them in code using their connect method. Okay. In the example below, we connect the health depleted signal from a character node to a game node. When the character node emits the signal, the game node's on character health depleted is called. Okay, so now I understand. We can just I don't know if this is the right way to do that, but oh, if this works, this is fantastic. open box. I think this is what I need to do. Okay, so we're just gonna test this. So now the first client that we serve right should make a box appear. So there should be. No. Okay, so. Okay, invalid call to function connecting base signal expected 2 arguments. Okay, so you know what? We're just gonna... Oh, we don't need that actually. Okay. And we can... Just gonna make it right here. Oh, I can't do that here. I need to make it way below. Like here. Standalone lambdas cannot be accessed. Consider assigning it to a variable. I'm not sure how to solve this, but you see what I want to do there. I want to have open box. How can I do that? Oh, actually I know. I think I have an idea. Let's connect. I don't think that's gonna work, but we're just gonna try. Oh, and it does work, but I don't think that's very useful. It's gonna say the standalone thing. Yeah. How can I solve this? I think this should do the trick. Let's just check together. Ah, I'm gonna kill this journal. Keeps popping up when it doesn't have to. Okay, so she wants this. And, or probably this and this. No. Oh, come on. This and this. And why does it appear? What? What happened there? Calling from signal, but called with one. Error calling from signal. To callable. Okay, method expected 0 arguments, but called. But I don't think I even need that. Oh. Yeah, I do. I do need this signal. Because open box. Box opened, visible. Return prize. How do I? How do I do that? Box, open box. Box opening. How to connect. Where is the signal linked from? Box opening. Oh, it's here. Signal. Box opening. That emits price. Oh, this might be the problem here. This might just be the problem. Check for infinite recursion in your scripts. Oh yeah. This should work. Okay. But it still appears open, which is troubling me. Why does it appear opened when it shouldn't. Let's just try again to try to understand how this works. Gonna use this and this. Oh. Okay, and it still appears opened when it shouldn't. Why does it do that? Why? Why does it do that? Box, that box opening, that connect. Okay, it's probably because of this. Because it calls the function here. No. Do you have? Yes, I do. Here it is. Yeah. And now it works. But why did I? Okay. And we need another signal. So we're gonna make that actually, do I even need that? I could do this the ugly way and handle all of this in the other side of the code, but it wouldn't be clean, and I want it to be clean. How can I do that? Think. Think. Because I don't get how to increment the current money without breaking it all. So when I do this, it calls the function to operate, which is logical. But oh, I know. I think I know how to do that. We're just gonna do that. Take this and make it as I wanted to make it up there, here. Something like this. Plus price, and this should be price. And now we have to move this box opening. I have to move it back here and emit price. So now this too few arguments for, okay, and now we can make it here, and this should, hey, why doesn't it work? Okay, how did I do that for this? So it's not there, it's add fruit, I believe. Fruit dot mouse clicked connect. I'm just gonna explore the fruits. Okay, mouse dot emit self, so it's emitting itself inside this code here. Fruits dot mouse clicked dot connect. Fruit clicked. Okay, okay, now I get it. Okay, now I get it. So it should only be this. And let's pray for it to work. Okay. At least nothing broke. But something wasn't right. So print price. So we should be receiving 86 coins here. Okay, so it's returning. This is returning 86 for this this one example here. Okay, so box opening connect get price, and now in the price here should be int. I think this should be working. Added 80. So it does work. Current money. Oh, I'm such a... Because I didn't use... no, not this one. Update. Current money. All right. So, where is it? So it should be update current money with the price. And now should be working. Why didn't it work? Update current money price. Hey. Oh, it did work, so. But it does only. What? Why does it work this early? Oh. How is it possible? Oh, I think... No? How is that possible? How is that possible? When is this emitted? Something's not right here, but we're getting close. I think it's these two. Emitted, faded. So I didn't get to see. Emitted. Why is it emitted? Okay, we're gonna try again. But why doesn't it actually update? Why doesn't it? So, we're gonna try again. Fuck, shouldn't do that. Oh, actually, can I do that here? No. Okay, so gonna try this and this. No. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Added 28. It's not updating here, but it's received on the right side of the code. So where is the problem? Current money. Where's the problem here? Money label. Oh, I think the problem was here, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Congratulations, we fixed it. I'm so happy. We fixed it. So, we have now to make it 1 chance in 20 to spawn in box. Okay, great, and now we can try again. Okay, so when is the box spawning? 1 chance in 20 isn't that much, but shouldn't be this rare. Okay. Oh, come on, little box. Oh, and we got a box. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Now what I want to do is, which time is it? Okay. Now what I want to do is an animation for each update of the current money that we have above the cursor, so you know how much you're spending and how much you're earning. So this could be a good thing, I believe. But 1 in 20 is still a bit high odds. I want it to be a bit more rare. Okay, so this and this. And I'll have to balance it a bit more, not to have too much money, because 100 coins is quite a lot. Okay, so this and this. No. Still no box. And I want oh, I didn't think about that, but for the moment the box can only contain money, but I want it to be more than that, to be able to be a way to unlock new maybe characters or sprites for the equipment. So I'll definitely have to look into that more in details, but I'm really happy that it can work like this. Still no box, and we're at 24 clients. Okay. Oh. Still no box. Still no box. Okay, so they must have... Okay. Still no box. 36 clients. Still no box. Still no box. No problem. Ah, first box. And how much is this gonna add to the count? 32. Not bad. Well, I think it's time to call it a day. Thank you very much for sticking with me in this difficult debugging session, but I've learned a lot, especially with signals. Yeah. So thank you everyone. Please subscribe, hit the bell, drop a comment. It will be a pleasure streaming again, maybe tomorrow. So see you in the next one, guys.